Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami box. So first, you take your piece of paper and turn it diagonal like this. And you're going to take and fold it diagonal. And unfold, turn it 90 degrees, and do the same thing again. So now there's an X in your origami paper, and you're going to turn it diagonal like a diamond again, and fold the corners up to the middle like this. So now it just looks like a smaller box, and what you're going to do is take an edge and fold it up to the middle and do the same thing to the other side. So now it looks like this, and you're going to unfold it. And if these flaps are like this, just fold them back down to the middle and open up the sides, only the sides. And now you're going to take this and fold it up to the middle. And same thing with this side. So now it looks like this. And make sure the creases are hard. And now you're going to take these flaps and bend them behind so you can't see them, and fold, and then turn it around and do the same thing to this side. So it should look like this. And now I'm going to take this, fold it up to there, and do the same to the other side. So it should look like this with the edges folded in. And as soon as it's like this, you're going to unfold and do the same thing the other way. So it should look like this. And do the same thing to the other side. So now it looks like this. So now it's folded both ways, that way and that way. Now I'm going to unfold, turn it like this. You're going to lift up one side of it. And you're going to push in like this. And grab those edges and pull back like this. So it looks like this. You're going to fold that down like this. And now part of the box should be made. And you can fold that flap down like that. Now you're going to turn it over. You're going to do the same to this side. You're going to lift up right there and pull those creases in like that, and fold down like this. Fold that edge down. So now you do this and reach inside of it and crease on all the edges to make sure they're going to stay. And now you have an origami paper box. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!